What's up, guys? Welcome back. I know it's been a minute. I forget how to do this thing already. This is actually the longest break we've ever taken from the channel, and it's for good reason. We'll get into that later, but today we are at the Hot Wheels Legends Tour. They have a stop over here out in Union City. They call it a SF stop, but it's in Union City. Anyway, we are gonna check out what they got here. There's a cool amount of people here, to be honest, and a lot of cool cars in the parking lot as well. Let's see what they got. I think that's the main area right here on the other side of these gates. I don't know if you just go in there or what, but it looks packed in there. Look at this C10 patinaed out. Okay, let's figure out how to get in here. Got the slicks. Oh, they got a whole, like a U-Haul truck full of Hot Wheels. Bro, this thing is packed. It's supposed to end at 12, but I'm not sure if they're gonna end at 12 or not. Clean 300ZX. Okay, look at that thing. Hey, look at this thing. Look at how tiny this cockpit is. I think this whole thing flips up. It has 2 motors. Gotta always show some love to this clean S chassis. We got so close. My BBS. I always go back to the roots. Babe, look. That thing is California registered.
No way.
This thing got California plates on it.
This car drives better than mommy's car.
They can drive the Hot Wheel on the road, but you can't drive your car.
You have to register out of state.
That's crazy. I wonder what the original chassis is. Like, what is the original car for this? Sick. Oh, this is a cool El Camino. Look at this Corvair. Isn't it a funky looking car, Kaylee? This thing. You don't ever see these, ever. Oh, it's swapped too. It's a side seat. Look at the bed.
Oh.
That's cool, yeah?
Yeah.
It must feel trippy to drive. We went on this car, bro. Look at this thing over here. I actually have been on top of this car. A while back, we went to a car show and the guy let me go up on top of this. I'll see if I can find a picture, but I highly doubt it. It was a while back. But it's a horse car. You guys remember I went on that?
Yeah, I went on it too.
Yeah, we all went on it actually, yeah. Look at this Volkswagen Bug. It goes up. Oh shoot, NSX. This is a TL. You don't see these much done up. That's pretty dope. Look what's right next to it. It's a laid out postal truck. This is low priority. Yeah, Kaylee's in the truck. Yee. That's sick. Look, it's on the ground. It's super cool to see unique builds like that. There's actually quite a few unique builds around here, but there's also a lot of variety, which is always nice to see. It's not just JDM, which we're used to. Jimmy Oaks, where you at? Damn, I'm sure this is so nuts to drive on the street. It does have California plates as well on this thing. Yeah. Bro, they kept the 22 RE in here. That's nice and clean. Sick Toyota. Oh, let's go check out this Datsun over here. Oh, yep. That's what I thought. What's that? KA. Us too. I wonder if it overheated or something. Oh.
Can win this Miata.
Oh, you could win the Miata?
Yeah,
that's what it is?
this
You want to win a Miata?
I want to win a Miata.
Lately, I've learned to really love Porsches. And that's not good because these things are expensive as heck. Oh my god, why he letting him stand on the car? Get off the car, bro. No shade, but honestly, that's not cool. That's like super not cool. We saw this thing at a cruise night where we live. Yeah, near our house, and this thing looks sick. So sick. This thing looks so cool. Got a clear sub box. This is super sick. This is such a period correct Samurai for real. This thing looks so cool. Oh, buddy. R33 with the Euros. What is this? What state is this?
Huh?
Hawaii? Autoland is Hawaii. And he got the Moon Eyes safety check.
Oh.
Well, I don't know what kind of plate that is. It's not a Hawaii plate.
Is that a
No. What the heck is this? This is like a Fiat?
It has little teeth.
Oh my gosh. It's little teeth. I feel like look what they did. They spray painted their license plate. I think it would have been easier to just get a tinted cover.
Yeah.
Look at this thing.
It was
Oh my gosh, I didn't know this is a big saw blade. The big saw blade on the window.
Oh, I like when they do themes like this.
Yeah, it's kind of cool, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, how's this Corolla? 4AG.
It's so tiny.
Yeah, put your hand on it. Not on it, but like next to it.
Oh my, what is that?
It's like a breather. Oh, DAD, yeah, this is fully decked out. We had a second gen XB. Oh my gosh, this thing is also supercharged. It's got the green tints on it too. That's kind of cool. Babe, look at this wheelies. This thing must feel crazy.
Yeah.
Look at how big the turbo is.
Oh my gosh.
It's huge, huh? So while I make my way through the crowd, hope you guys can hear me. We have actually took a really long break. This is like I said earlier, this is the longest break we've probably ever took from content and social media in general. You know, I feel like a lot of the time we were so bombarded with finishing the projects and stuff like that that we never really took the time to really focus on family. And long story short, we lost a couple good people in our lives, close people in our lives that made me realize that. So we decided to take some time off and get back to basics, get a fresh start, you know, spend some time with Kaylee. Kaylee's getting older, as you guys have seen. That's why there was a big gap in that content and YouTube. And, you know, we really appreciate everybody reaching out and making sure we're all good, and you know, we just took a little break. Essentially is what we did. And those of you guys that still do support us, we appreciate it so much. And hopefully we'll be back. I mean, we will be back. We for sure will be back, because we got a lot of cars to build. We'll give you guys an update on that as well soon. Anyway, I'll probably update you guys a little bit better once we get out of this crowd and stuff, when I can think better.